Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. I hope you're all having a fantastic weekend. As you can see, my hair's a bit wet today because I've spent most of my weekend in the pool. As always though, we're here to make it even better with the funniest scare cams and pranks of the week. Today's episode is packed with 6 incredible segments, each one funnier than the last. So, you definitely don't want to miss a single one. We've been reading all your messages, and for today, we've got the most requested segments from the past few weeks. So get comfy, grab a snack, and let's kick things off with a loud and classic one, the air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
Babe! Oh my God, bro, you almost gave me a heart attack. What the
Freaking dumbass I did.
I'm over you! I don't know if I tickle you.
Sit down and say a kind of space.
Oh my God, no!
Nothing.
Alright, she's sitting on go.
Don't honk that thing again.
I'm not, I don't even have it.
That's my white chocolate!
Amanda. Amanda, are you done with your homework? Amanda.
Ow! Ow!
Jesus! That's my horn!
He probably put something in wrong or something.
Man.
The air horn pranks always crack me up. No matter how many times we watch them, they just never get old. There's something hilarious about that sudden blast catching people off guard. Some jump like crazy, others freeze, and a few look like they're about to start running for their lives. Honestly, if someone pulled that on me, I'd probably fall out of my chair. Such a simple prank, but the reactions are always priceless. Now, let's keep things rolling with a segment where things don't always go as planned. Scare cams gone wrong. Let's check them out.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! What? 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 What?
You're not funny. I just dropped a big deuce.
Manipulating, influencing. Or in the best interest of your organization. The goal of social engineers is to obtain.
Oh man, the scare cam's gone wrong are seriously the best. Sometimes the prank just doesn't go as planned, and that's exactly when things get even funnier. Honestly, this segment is easily in my top 3 favourites, and it might even take the #1 spot. I'd love to know what your personal top 3 segments are, so drop them in the comments. That way, our team can check what you guys enjoy the most and bring you more of those in the next episodes. Alright, let's keep it rolling with our next one, the scare pranks with gadgets. Let's check them out.
Invoice advantage
Έλα, thanks.
Esta broma es así como que
You only have 2 seconds. Oh.
Sharon, this shit ain't funny.
Pop squat.
All right.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. That was crazy.
Go get ready.
Very suspect.
Stop it.
Get away from me.
I got you!
Oh, shit.
What are we smiling about?
You've got to love the scares with gadgets. One of my favourite has to be those cushions that make a fart noise when you sit down. The other day you guys reminded me in the comments what they're called, and it's the whoopee cushion. Such a classic. They're so simple, so harmless, but man, the reactions never fail to crack me up. I hope you're all having as much fun as I am, but for now, let's get to our next segment, which is the well-hidden scares. Let's check them out.
What the f***? Face.
Mark, one more time.
Más cosas.
¡Ay, ay! ¡Oh, oh, ah!
You get me anything?
Oh my god! You, bro.
See you in a bit. Bye.
Just started it.
Tú eres imbécil. Es que eres...
Cada 없다. 이츠까.
I'm gonna get a Yahtzee. Oh my god.
Well, hidden scares are honestly next level. When someone jumps out from the perfect hiding spot, the poor victim doesn't stand a chance. It's always either a guaranteed scream or a completely over-the-top reaction. What really blows my mind is how patient these guys can be, just waiting for the perfect moment to strike. I hope you're all enjoying today's show, and if you are, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and keeps the fun going. Up next, we've got one of the loved battles of all time. The husbands versus wives pranks. Let's check them out.
People are in different ways.
Oh, dude. Hey, Rob.
What's wrong with you?
Why would you do that?
Hey!
Oh, baby!
Woo! Damn! I'd rather walk. Can I walk? I walk. Good Lord. She got. God. That was a stink bomb, right? That didn't come out of you, right?
This battle never disappoints, and for me, this round definitely goes to the wives. I feel like they've been winning several showdowns in a row lately. Come on, gentlemen, we've got to step it up. If you've recorded a good scare on your wife, make sure to send it to the email we've left down in the description. We need to give them some real competition in this hilarious battle. And now, to wrap things up in style, we've got our classic final segment, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Mouse.
Animal. What?
I don't know.
Alright, you ready? 3, 2.
What was that? You actually scared me.
Good morning.
Tá pronto os gelos?
Que foi?
Não.
Stop it!
Schatz, was machst du da für eine Scheiße? Was hast du da an? Ey, Schatz, komm mal runter, das ist nicht lustig. Was? Schatz, hey! Schatz, hey! Schatz, hey! Ey, Schatz, das ist nicht lustig. Komm jetzt mal da runter, das ist nicht witzig. Komm, Schatz, ey, das...
You get on my nerve.
again.
I don't yell at him if he hits you in the face. Damn! Help me!
Ist ja sehr heiß.
Jetzt musst du aufpassen, ja.
Du bist so frech. Du bist so frech.
What's going on? Oh my gosh, I hate you so bad.
We do. Ah! God!
How you doing?
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, please leave a like. That would help us a lot, and we would really appreciate it if you could follow us on Facebook and or Instagram. The links for that are in the description. See you soon, guys.